Hi there, this is a Metanoia Minute. I'm Max, and this is a different Metanoia Minute. Because, did you hear that bird just there? With that trilling song at the end? What kind of bird is that? I've been hearing him most of the afternoon, into the early evening now. I swear I sort of recognize it. And I've come out a couple times to try to record him, and each time I've come out, he's stopped. You hear him? Deek, 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 deek. Anyway, I realize this is kind of a different Metanoia Minute, but I like birds, and I want to know who that is. If you know what that song is, let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching. Happy birding.